So we they see they discuss with our people from Livelihood Homes where go where they are on now to make sure say you where they there. You at least all those small money where they say we hear not take talk about woman where they do a job. Now all those people they do a job if you they save your small money every day. At the end of the month, give yourself time. At the end of the month, the money where you go don't save. Like okay, we'll talk about we'll talk about 10,000 naira. Say you go save 10,000 naira for a way Koro.
The way could save, how much will we could 75,000 naira?
75,000.
Muku estimate and okay, you they go beer parlor. I don't see say men, boys, they go drink 20,000. How much they will buy champagne? They will drink close to 50,000 naira. If you pay to be say you they calculate, okay, last one you give example, you they drink 2, you they drink 5, you can they save 1.5.
They save 1.5.
Times 1.5 for 2 months. How much you go give you?
How much you go make?
Before you don't get full plot of land.
At least if you check 1.5 in a 1.5 for 2 months, like 1.5 for a week, at least we just say at least 10,000 naira.
Yeah.
Most at least 10,000 naira. Say you not save at least 10,000 naira. Now 10,000 naira times 4 weeks in a month. That's 40,000. Save on 2 months, 80,000 naira. 80,000 naira will buy you plot of land.
Confirm. Exactly.
You understand? You go buy a plot of land. Now, that 80,000 naira will buy you that plot of land. At least you know you for your mind now you know say okay, myself I don't get landed property. If you want build now, it don't they now your hand it dey. If you want sell them, you go fix sell them, collect more money, put for your pocket, buy other ones as well.
Yeah,
now make I ask you, Ntol.
Alright.
Ma ask you, now English you go speak. I've been a pitching. Which one you dey speak?
English.
English. Ma ask you one question now. Waiting be the lowest amount where person fee use take buy land, and how many places for inside Nigeria? I hear some they sell land for South Africa.
Everywhere we don't get office there now. We don't they grow wide.
Yes.
What then carry una go South Africa go they sell land?
You know, say most of our people for
Who give na the land when they sell there?
make I tell you how they do. You know, say most of our Nigeria people in South Africa, they plan on how to get their own land for Nigeria.
Okay.
But they know they want trust.
Okay.
You understand?
No,
you know they want give their money. You know what people now say yes. You don't your brother say go even go dupe you. So you know when you want trade, yes, now they plenty for everywhere. So now through that our miss now, through our company, when you come office of South Africa, from there you come link us to Nigeria.
Okay.
Maybe you dey Imo State, maybe you be Imo, you come from Owerri, you come from Benin. Through that miss, you fit acquire property.
Okay.
Because the company now will help you, they safeguard them.
Now, because that's true. Even apart from watching for Nigerian film, you get one Nigerian film who watch with a lago. Now then the same money. Now Jim Ike the same money give Chiwet Alago. Every time Jim Ike go the same money. Jim Ike Chiwet Alago go say in the use and build house.
Okay.
When Jim Ike come back.
What?
You see, that is why we did there now to make sure at least if you get your own land, you don't get any worry at all because this company now we don't do everywhere. Yeah. If you be say you did Lagos, you did think I want to go get land for Enugu, we get office for Enugu too. You will just
now
so many
how many now for if you name the states one and the areas where not get land because in the talk away Corona now, which areas person fit get land? Person want get land. Now person want get land from Mona. Which areas for Nigeria? We'll start from Lagos. Where person fit get land from?
Ibejuleki.
Ibejuleki.
It's a beautiful place, you know very well. The port is going to be there, seaport is going to be there, even airport is going to be there.
Of course, airport go there.
Yes. So it's a, it's mind-blowing idea of investing. I'm not saying okay, you buy a plot of land and build your house there, just for investment.
Just even if say you don't want build, just buy and live and there.
Yes.
And it's because one thing why I know, women don't go to say why did they buy gold? Why did they buy this one? Say gold anytime you go see sell them, all these things. Well, I okay, maybe not true or not. To some those say they sell them, they say not true, and I believe. But the one where me I know,
We're sure.
now land. My brother, if you buy land today, even if now 1 month,
I appreciate.
That
one, this is very short.
That one is short.
You know, be like if we buy a car this year now, next year you know go feel salary the same amount of money.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not possible.
Even if you buy phone, it's okay. The phone where you buy now, you want consular. You buy phone, nah. You want sell the phone like next week. My brother, if you buy that phone 1 million naira, you not get how you want to sell that for 1 million naira. The money must come down.
Let me tell you one thing. People are buying Land Rover. Land Cruiser, but they still having landlords. Getting the point. You are in trouble, though. Seriously.
Yes.
People they drive Land Rover, Land Cruiser, but they still get landlord for house. So, and not true. Check them. Check them. You go see some people, then they rented apartment. Maybe they call rented apartment. I know plenty people when they be say, I know one begin call them for 1,004 here, then
a lot
of them when they be say, then go be 5 for inside one room. Meanwhile, each of them, so I get Range Rover Sports, so I get Range Rover Sports. Meanwhile, he not get land. Imagine that kind of thing. Then instead of using that money to buy Range Rover Sports, look for one Toyota.
And that Range Rover Sports, where you dey talk, so you go buy you land for Ikorodu.
He go buy you land.
You go do foundation. You go put on that kind of window level.
Oh, just the money of the Range Rover Sports.
Honestly.
Just the money of the Range Rover Sports. So, how you go happy? Say you knock your hand for chest, I have Range Rover Sport. Or you knock your hand for chest, I have a house. Which one better pass? Now Range Rover Sport. Now, what did they even annoy me for that Range Rover Sport now? You go do service, you know.
Fuel every day. Yes, nah.
You go buy fuel, now where fuel don't go up 145 naira per liter. You go buy fuel, and Range Rover Sport, their parts, they're very, very expensive.
Very, very expensive.
So, waiting come be the talk on top of the matter. I beg, waiting make us call your tell on this. Not because of say we just want talk. We want something when we say. So anytime we wanna hear us, anytime we wanna watch us, we wanna go benefit something from us. You understand? Livelihood don't come before. Una feel not, some of una feel not watch them, but we say more come back, carry them come back again, so that then go feel help una. Now, question I want to ask you again before we'll not to get time before we come up for inside studio now. Where be the places to start with for Lagos?
Okay. For Lagos, maybe you did Lagos, you want to try make you acquire any land property for Lagos. You feel they think of Agbara. That one just did for Adagumbo. So that one is still Lagos State.
Okay.
If you know this hotel they call Whispering Palm Hotel, where people they come stay. Our place is just
Whispering Palm, where they go do resort, all the stuff.
Yeah, you Sabiam. That place, our land is very close to that hotel too. If na Mowi extension, just few minutes after the redemption camp, we get property, we get land for there too. We could go to the sink since we say before 5 bottles of champagne, we go buy Wekoro.
Go buy Wekoro.
5 bottles and go buy Wekoro. So that one too still there. Now anyone be say you know so you get interest. This is our Bejuleki too. You see there be say my colleague are too they talk say so many things they happen there. If you still get that in Bejuleki too. So if now they call them Ikorodu, Mowe, Ofada, there one place they call Ofada too. They for close to redemption camp area. So anyone be say just get interest on.
But last
give us
and not least, Kelly's Villa. Oh God.
Yeah. Oh, tell them about Kelly's Villa too.
Which one be Kelly's Villa? Tell us about Kelly's Villa.
It's a dream of Mr. Kelly. It's renting that place. It would be like a Alibaba Palace for people. Yes, exactly.
So like the houses where they then like fine like
people be say like people where they be say they buy that Kelly's Villa. People say don't save, we don't get a job, we get savings.
We get better.
You know what I mean by savings? Yes. Because some people they don't get savings, some get savings. Now if you get savings, you know so you get savings, your savings don't they show red. If you just call me, I'll just carry you go that Kelly's Villa. You go when you reach yourself. You go no say na place now.
Apart from Lagos now, because the places where you don't call for Lagos now, almost everywhere you do for Lagos now you don't call.
Yeah.
And places when they be say now you where there you go feel buy land there, not be where they expensive for you to feel buy land.
At all.
Because this Lekki, everybody call Lekki, VI. He get that way line for VI like 100,000 naira or 300,000 naira.
Now so it start.
Now so it takes start now.
Before you know, don't enter me.
He bet you Lekki where put the shout. He get way buy land where almost it be like a stadium for Ibejuleki. The guy not spend reach 1 million naira after that time. But now go the Ibejuleki now go buy land. You understand? So the Ibejuleki now what they say land they cheap. Now another thing I want to ask you. Now don't talk Lagos now. You mentioned say una dey almost everywhere. So una carry waka go South Africa.
Yeah.
For which other part of Nigeria?
Good. And you know this Lagos hall in a morning till night. Some people come from different village, come from different states. And they find it difficult on how to go, how you want to acquire land for your place. Because where you do so in a house, you need to get your own home from where you come from. So that in case you come up for Lagos, you go where you want to go relax.
Exactly, yes. Where you go relax.
So maybe you will come from Imo State. We get for Wererete, we get for Enugu, we get for Benin City. So we get for all eastern parts. If you know say this place I don't make sure so.
Ibadan.
Port Harcourt, yes, Ibadan. Thank you very much. You be say you come from Port Harcourt side, you come from Enugu side. Anyway, be say you just come from. We get offices for that place. Just try make you take. Just try make you reach us so that we go direct to go any of our office. We be say we just mention your states. You understand? So that you can get land for that particular place. Me just start something. 6 to 8 months. For those who be say maybe some everybody know say all fingers are not equal. You will be say you dey do salary earner. You dey think I want to get all this kind of thing. My brother, not take out too much. Before you know, small, you don't cover. You just before you just be like film, you don't buy land. So you they start like play. You don't buy land.
But why una dey fear? I not hear you here say talk. Say una get land for Boronu or for. You get one song where Satan sing say I spend my money every day on top woman. Make we watch that video so that those of una wey dey spend money on top woman too much. When they drink beer anyhow, pump champagne up and down. Una go watch am learn lesson. No say that money. You go feel reduce am. When they come back, still on top the next show. Not go anywhere.